Bro, what the heck?
Bomb spotted.
Ay, namatay pa rin ako sa M4 dun sa gilid.
Suko ang kanilang nuclear weapons at buksan ang Strait of Hormuz.
They have to they're gonna have no bridges, they're gonna have no power plants.
Pinagdaraw ang deadline na Trump, pero sinago ang may pinakpang deadline. Tumagi naman siyang sabihin kung mayroong civilian target.
Very little is left.
They have the bomb.
I don't want to tell you that. I don't want to tell you that. We have a plan. So every bridge in Iraq will be
It's all up to you now. Finish the
by 12
mission.
o'clock tomorrow night. So every power plant in Iran will be out of business.
Lost that round,
Burning.
but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Kasi isa na kami. Puro mga naka-legendary. Ako din, magla-legendary din.
It'll happen in the
Si X9.
if we wanted to. We don't want that to happen.
Defend the objectives.
Ikaw lang yung magsasalita.
Has the bomb.
Sa mga kabataan, nabubuo ng human chain sa mga power plants sa kanilang bansa. Nagdagya, war crime at pagkatake sa pampublikong infrastruktura. Ang United States.
Enemy has dropped the bomb. Get down, stopper!
Security analyst, depende sa gagawing military action ng US ang magiging epekto ng mas malawak at malalakas.
Ay!
Lalo na kung mag-deploy ng ground forces ng Amerika, talagang nangyayari lang ang talaga sa Iran. Pero, ang important natin na
Mission.
kahit na Iran
Wala makagawa.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Mag-shotgun na ito tayo ba? Wala akong shotgun. Ay, sarang.
and yung mga airborne forces.
Defend the objective.
Inulit
They
sasabihin
have
ko
the
sa'yo.
bomb.
Wala kalimutan. Anak ko streamer mode pala ako.
Bomb spotted.
Totoo yung sinasabi niyo, bumomba niyo. Yung wala, yung exportan ko ito wala na rin. Gumagambula rin sila, no? At magiging mas malawak.
Tao dito.
Kaya iniisip natin ang magiging epekto sa Pilipinas. No?
Last man standing. Finish it.
Uy! Sino nakita mo mag-ino ko dyan?
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
At ngayon na, I understand, meron din reports na marami ng mga Pilipino ang
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Sayang, wala pa si Seattle ito. Ay, baka dahil sa rank. Ito kasi, taas-taas ng rank mo eh. Not my fault. It's your fault. Tapos naka-streamer mode pa ako. Ay, putik! Ba yan, gaya? Mga naka-ano?
Reloading.
Sa baba. Down here, down here, down here, down here, down here, down here. Uy, si R56 AMAX ba? Uy, yun yung akin eh. Yun yung akin eh.
It's all up to you.
Ah, tatlo. Andun sa taas banda. Nasa every side ko tala tayo. GG's! Didelete ko to. Masyado.
Bomb drop.
Didelete ko to.